All right, guys. So this is the compressor we're changing out. Unplug this here. Power is off. At the disconnect. So I'm just gonna pop this off here. We have our new compressor right here, LG. Nothing there?
No, you have the thermostat screwdriver, but it doesn't have the tip.
Really?
Yeah. I was gonna say, I thought.
Okay.
I tried looking for it the other day.
We'll look at it.
That's a good call, like you said, running nitrogen through, because there was barely anything in there.
Yeah, no, it's, yeah.
It's all effective. What's the,
Let's gotta pull this thing out of here. See if I can grab it with this here and not lose it. Kick it back towards you. Yeah.
wow, those are the easiest ones. Okay. Just line up one and
So we heat up, we tap it, and we'll probably best to start off the bottom. Put the nitrogen through.
You wanna run nitro?
Yeah, it's running.
Still work.
Yeah, it's running through. It'll be a lot. Back off with this one. We're putting too much of the heat. Well, one guy could do, huh?
Soda dry.
Yep. Yeah, and on the bottom one too. At the bottom. I'm gonna go on this side. You good? I just wanna see it. I know we're just vacuuming right now. A little power station there. Just bought this here recently. So let's see how it works. In those places that we don't have outlets close by or just a hassle, we got this right here. And the vacuum up and down. It's 100 right now. Just waiting until it gets down to 500. Charging it up. Got a mirror now here.
What's up, guys? Ran a little late. A lot late.
Favorite
today.
HVAC.
Showed up late, man. I'm rookie. Went to the wrong job.
Rookie mistakes, man.
Went to the wrong job. That is crazy.
This unit takes about 8 pounds.
How's it coming out on this side?
Yep, blowing up.
Huh?
Blowing.
Not a lot of crap, a lot of crap.
Nothing too crazy.
Careful.
Yep, you're good. I don't think it's making it too far.